What's up, squad? Welcome to the channel. Dylan here. I'm sporting the new shirt, looking fresh, just something for the videos. But today it's finally time to lower this guy. So it looks like it might rain today, but hopefully it doesn't, and hopefully the install goes smooth. Fingers crossed. So I'm about to head to the shop. Let's get this car lowered, boy. Can't wait. Made it to the shop. Got the box over there. Got the mechanic over here. Say what's up.
What's up, guys?
We're gonna start with the front. Ooh, that's rusty.
Super. I should have got you. I told you to get some.
So we started on the front suspension. This bolt over here is a 19. I think this is a 17. This bracket, the brake line bracket, is a 12. This is the ABS line. We took this off. And we already loosened up the top. Just about working. Who's here?
No, you turn. Okay, so. You taking the bolts?
Chill, don't put that.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this is good clearance.
Perfect rub.
Talking grease, eh?
Yeah, it's only one in the bottom. So you want me to hold anything or no?
Sorry I can't show much, but the fronts are done. We're trying to do this quick. Working on the rears. You really like what? The brake light.
It looks clean when it's part of the body,
okay,
man.
okay.
Low key, I might drill a hole.
Thanks, man.
24 hours later.
So day 2 of the coilover install. The mechanics had work in the morning, so we decided to call it a day. We were only able to do the front. Take a look at it. It's pretty slammed, but I really like it. So we're gonna head to the shop. We just gotta work on the rears and make a few adjustments on the front. Then we should be good to go. This car should be slammed. Let's get it. Okay, so we're working on the front suspension. The homie Adrian here. So last night we forgot to put anti-seize on the threads, so that's what we're doing right now. So as far as settings goes on the front, whatever came out of the box, that's what we did.
What?
Whatever came out of the box, that's what we did on settings.
Oh, yeah.
We didn't even touch it. We tried setting the preload, but the purchase wouldn't even move. The height we changed a little bit, but we just left it. Getting some tools.
I actually don't know.
Don't know where it is?
Automotive sockets. What is it? What do we need?
17 socket. Made the purchase. Back to work. Just finishing up the front. Got the dampening. And when you put back the bolts, if you live in a cold climate, put on anti-seize. Just about done. One more side to go. Look at the stance on this side. I'm not bagged. Bagged or static? Fire.
Hours later.
Okay, so I'm in the car. Last night we were able to finish the coilovers. The front is done. The rears are done. So today I'm gonna go for a little drive, see how they feel, see if they're good, see if there's any noises. So a quick little drive, and then we'll see the results of the coilover install. Let's get it moving. Finally installed. So far so good. I have it set to full soft just to let the coilovers break in, let it settle, so it's not too harsh. As far as preload for the fronts, it was whatever was in the box, set out of the box, and the rear we adjusted it a little bit, but it was pretty much whatever was out of the box as well. So sorry I couldn't show much during the install of the coilovers. We wanted to get it done. Thank you to Adrian and Ralph for their help. Appreciate it. Much love to the crew. But let's see the results of the coilover install. Take a look at the new stance. Let me talk about the settings on the coilovers. So for the front, the height was basically set straight out of the box, and this is the result. It's not too low, showing a little bit of tire, which is perfect. This side, I think, is a little bit lower. We try to match it with the other, but this is the result. We're gonna adjust it anyways. On the driver's side rear, there's a little bit of a gap. Needs to be adjusted. Needs to go a little bit lower. And on this side, we did adjust the height. There's still a little bit of a gap, but it's better. And it looks nice. It's perfect for the 4-door in case you have passengers in the back. And also these coilovers still need to settle, so it's perfect height. If you look, you can see a little natural camber in the rear. I'm feeling it. I like it a lot. Man, I'm in love with this setup right now. This car looks so good. I really can't believe it. With every part, you don't realize how far the car has come. Each part you add, now you realize why you do it, because it just all comes together. And man, it looks so good. I'm so happy with it. So I really encourage all of you, if you're in the position and you have a build going for you, really build towards that. Build what you see best, build your vision, build how you like your car. That's what High Beams is all about. I'm excited for this. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to the crew for the help. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Be out.